Hello everyone. Today we will discuss random sampling with NumPy. Okay. Random sampling. Why we need to use the random sampling? Random sampling basically used for the to generate the random numbers. Okay, to generate the random numbers. If we want to generate, suppose OTP. Okay. So for this we use the random sampling. So random sampling for user and random sampling. First we need to import the random function and numpy. Okay, so how to import numpy? Simple write import numpy as np. Okay, now random import random as a rnd, or you can still import random only. Okay, now run this. Okay, when here the one, it means the import is successfully imported. Okay, done. Import is successfully. Now, suppose we need to generate a random number, random numbers. For this, we call this np dot random dot random. If we pass one here, then run. Okay, you can see here uh, the random function generate a random value between 0 and random function generate the value between 0 and 1. Always this function generate the random value, any value, random OTP type value between 0 and 1. So you can see here 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. The random variable, sorry, a random number or a random value. Okay. So this is the one dimension array or 1D array. Now if we want to create a 2D array with random numbers. Okay, so for this we call the np dot random dot random, and we pass here the dimension. Suppose we need to create a 3 cross 3 or 4 cross 4 matrix. So 4 row and 4 column, simple. So then run. Okay, you can see here the 4 cross 4 or 4 cross 4 matrix, or you can say the 4-dimension array, sorry, 2-dimension array with 4 row and 4 column. And you can see here the all entries, the random entries between 0 and 1. All numbers are 0 and 1. So random function create a random number or random values between 0 and 1. Okay, you can see similarly you can create a more than two uh, more than 10 cross 10 and 100 cross 100 matrix as need. Okay, so now next, so this is the 2-dimension array. Now if we want to create a random array and all entries are integer type. Okay, this is this all entries are not integer but fractional. So if we need or float type entry, but if we need to create array with this condition that all entries are integer type. So for this we have a new function called the randint function. Okay, so we call the function randint function like that. np dot random dot randint, randint. Okay, and first we need to give the range from 1 to suppose 4. 1 is the first point, starting point, and 4 is the 4 is exclusive. 4 is not included but excluded. And then we need to give here the dimension, or suppose we need to 4 cross 4. Okay, then this function take the random value but integer type. So good, you can see here all entries are the integer type. It's a random entry, not specified, but integer type. So to take the integer value, we call the rand int function. Okay. Now, because we give here the range from 1 to 4, and 1 and 4 are the excluded, so you can see here all entries are 1 to 3. Okay. Now, with this rand int function, we can create n dimension array. So suppose, and again we call this np dot random rand int. Okay. Now, suppose we need to create a suppose 3-dimension array, or n dimension array. So for this, we pass simple here. From first, we need to give the range from 1 to 4, suppose. Okay. And then we pass here the suppose we need to 4 cross 4 matrix, 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay. And repeat suppose 3 times. So for first we need n dimension array or 3 dimensions. Suppose we need to first we consider 3 dimensions. So here we put 3 separated by comma. Okay. So you can see here this is the this matrix repeat 3 times. Okay. First we need to run this. Okay. You can see here. Okay. This is the 3 times, just 3-dimension array. Okay. Or you can create n dimension array this time. Okay. Like this. Now, so guys, hope this all are clear to all of you. And if it's like, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.